Have you ever wondered about intimacy in space? Join us as we delve into the secrets NASA has been keeping hidden from the public eye and explore the intriguing world of relationships beyond Earth's atmosphere. Space, the final frontier, captivates our imagination with its vastness and endless possibilities. Amidst the awe-inspiring scientific achievements of astronauts, there lies a realm of human experience rarely discussed: the intimate lives of those who journey into the cosmos. Today, we dare to delve into this taboo subject, peering into the personal lives of those who venture into the unknown. Our collective fascination with space exploration has spurred countless inquiries into the unknown. Yet one topic remains conspicuously absent from public discourse: sex in space. Space agencies, including NASA, have maintained a notable silence on this matter, primarily due to concerns regarding its potential impact on mission dynamics. The reluctance to broach the subject stems from a desire to preserve the professionalism and focus necessary for successful space missions. Introducing discussions about sexual activity in space could potentially disrupt the delicate balance of teamwork and coordination essential for mission success. Moreover, there are valid concerns about the psychological effects of addressing such a personal aspect of astronaut life within the confines of a space mission. However, as astronauts embark on increasingly lengthy missions, spending months or even years away from Earth, questions inevitably arise about their emotional well-being. The isolation and confinement inherent in space travel can take a toll on mental health, making the topic of intimacy and its role in maintaining emotional stability all the more relevant. While space agencies may be hesitant to openly discuss the subject, the emotional well-being of astronauts remains a critical consideration. Addressing the human aspect of space exploration, including the need for intimacy and emotional connection, is essential for supporting the mental health and resilience of crew members during extended missions. Extensive research has highlighted the intricate connection between intimacy and overall well-being, both physically and mentally. In the unforgiving environment of space, where astronauts are subjected to prolonged periods of isolation and confinement, the significance of tending to their emotional needs becomes glaringly evident. Studies consistently underscore the importance of maintaining emotional health and stability for individuals living in extreme conditions, such as those encountered in space missions. The psychological strain of being separated from loved ones and the familiarity of Earth can weigh heavily on astronauts, making the provision of emotional support a vital aspect of their well-being. Moreover, the effects of microgravity on the human body present a unique set of challenges when it comes to intimate relationships and sexual activity in space. The absence of gravity alters the distribution of bodily fluids and affects blood flow, potentially impacting the physical aspects of sexual activity. These physiological changes introduce considerations that go beyond the realms of mere comfort or convenience, extending to the safety and health of the astronauts themselves. NASA and other space agencies must carefully navigate these complexities, ensuring that astronauts are adequately supported in both their emotional and physical well-being. Addressing the emotional needs of crew members not only fosters a healthier living environment, but also contributes to the overall success and longevity of space missions. Furthermore, taking into account the implications of microgravity on intimate relationships underscores the importance of prioritizing the safety and health of astronauts in all aspects of space exploration. Indeed, while NASA has occasionally allowed married couples to embark on space missions together, such occurrences are few and far between, and they are typically handled with a significant degree of discretion. The decision to send a married couple into space raises fascinating questions about the dynamics of relationships in the extraterrestrial environment. One notable example of this rare occurrence was the flight of Lee and Davis aboard the Space Shuttle Endeavour in 1992. Davis, along with his wife, became the first married couple to fly together on a space mission. This historic event underscored the cautious approach that NASA takes when it comes to personal relationships in space. The decision to allow a married couple to share the extraordinary experience of spaceflight together was undoubtedly a momentous one, with implications that extend beyond the scientific objectives of the mission. It opened up discussions about the potential benefits and challenges of having intimate partners participate in space exploration side by side. While the specifics of the Davis experience during their mission remain largely undisclosed, Their journey serves as a poignant reminder of the human element inherent in space exploration. It highlights the complexities of balancing personal relationships with the demands of scientific exploration in the vast expanse beyond Earth's atmosphere. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, the precedent set by the Davis mission prompts us to consider the role of personal relationships in shaping the future of human spaceflight. It serves as a testament to NASA's commitment to exploring new frontiers while carefully navigating the intricacies of human interaction in the cosmos. NASA, as the forefront agency in space exploration, has historically maintained a laser focus on scientific advancements and mission objectives. This emphasis on pushing the boundaries of human knowledge has resulted in a certain reticence when it comes to openly discussing the personal lives of astronauts. The public tends to view astronauts as heroic figures, celebrated for their contributions to scientific discovery and exploration, rather than as individuals with personal lives and needs. However, as humanity endeavors to extend its presence beyond Earth and embark on longer-duration space missions, the holistic well-being of astronauts has emerged as a critical consideration. These missions, which may involve months or even years of isolation and confinement in the harsh environment of space, present unique challenges to the emotional and psychological health of crew members. Addressing the emotional and intimate aspects of astronauts' lives becomes increasingly important as we seek to ensure their overall well-being and resilience during these extended missions. Striking a balance between maintaining a professional, mission-oriented environment and meeting the emotional and intimate needs of astronauts poses a significant challenge for space agencies. On one hand, maintaining a sense of professionalism and focus is essential for the success and safety of space missions. On the other hand, recognizing and addressing the human aspects of space exploration is crucial for supporting the mental and emotional health of astronauts. Space agencies must navigate these complexities with sensitivity and care, considering the potential impact of personal relationships and intimacy on mission dynamics. While maintaining discretion regarding astronauts' personal lives is important, providing support and resources to address their emotional and intimate needs is equally essential. By acknowledging and prioritizing the holistic well-being of astronauts, space agencies can better equip them to face the challenges of life beyond Earth and contribute to the success of future space missions. As we conclude our exploration of intimacy in space, we recognize the intricacies and challenges inherent in this enigmatic subject. While space agencies like NASA maintain discretion, acknowledging the personal lives of astronauts is essential for understanding the human experience in space. Join us in continuing to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, respecting privacy and embracing curiosity along the way. Don't forget to subscribe for more captivating discussions on space exploration. Until next time, keep looking up.